Me and Kerry are here at Ysgol Twm and Nant, where Clwb Twm provide after-school club and a newly opened holiday club. We're here to see Sylwan Evans, the manager, to see how they're getting on. Come with us.
Hello, I'm Sylwan Evans. I'm the manager of Clwb Twm, the holiday club and the after-school club at Ysgol Twm and Nant in Denbigh. We received a grant of £1,000 to expand to a holiday club from being just an after-school club.
Can you tell me what inspired your setting to expand from after school to holiday club?
We noticed that the parents were asking for, there were more and more children coming to Clwb Twm, and the numbers were increasing year on year, and parents started asking, are you going to be doing holiday clubs?
Brilliant. How has the support you received from Clybiau Cymru Kids Clubs to set up your holiday club benefited your community?
It has been of great value to the community. Our after-school club is only for Twm and Nant pupils, but we decided to open the holiday club up to all children, all families in the area. However, we are a Welsh-speaking club, so it has, the whole community has benefited, obviously.
As well as the support from your Childcare Business Development Officer, you mentioned you also received a £1,000 grant from our Clwb project. What difference did this grant funding have?
Well, it was a great benefit really because obviously it was a gamble setting up the club, even though we'd sent questionnaires out to the families to identify who would be who would benefit from this. It was still a gamble, therefore the money came in, and it was financial backing for us when we initially started the holiday club. But obviously it has been successful, and now we've used the money, we've started working on a forest school project, so that's going to be a great benefit to the children, so we've used the money to start on that project.
What impact has the holiday club had on children, their families, and even your wider community?
It's been of great value to the families. As a charity, we're not here for financial gains, but obviously as a business, we must ensure that we have the financial stability as well. As a club, it's of fantastic value for the children. As we know, children love to play, and we're very lucky here at Twm and Nant that we've got so many different areas for them to play in. We've got the yard, we've got the field, we've got the garden, we've got the forest school. So children just love being here. We're also very competitive with our prices as well. Therefore, obviously, it's affordable for parents to bring their children to the club, and the parents know that the children are safe here and they enjoy themselves. A number of our children come from non-Welsh speaking families. Therefore, a lot of the younger children, when they're away from school for a number of weeks, such as summer holidays, they tend to lose what they've learned in Welsh, but being here in a Welsh-speaking facility, they hear the language all the time. So obviously, you know, that does benefit them in keeping the language alive throughout the summer holidays.
What advice would you give to another after-school club that were thinking about expanding to offer a holiday club provision?
Do like we did to start off with, send questionnaires out to the families to identify who would be using and how often they would be using, advertise it, and maybe not just do it for the school, do it for the whole area as well. That was of great benefit to us.
What do you value the most about the support you receive from being a member of Clybiau Cymru Kids Clubs?
There's always somebody at the end of the phone or an email if I need any advice or I need any support with anything at all. There's training courses and resources available on the website, which is at no additional cost to us. We also find that the templates of the policies and the procedures are of great value to me as well, and I use them very regularly.
And finally, if you could sum up Clybiau Cymru Kids Clubs in 3 words, what would they be?
Useful, knowledgeable and professional.
Brilliant. Thank you so much. Diolch yn fawr, Sylwan.
Croeso.
1, 2, 3!
Diolch!